Welcome to the beauty of Islam, unveiling the divine path. Islam is a religion that teaches us compassion, kindness, and unity. It is an invitation to find peace within ourselves and make a positive impact in the world. Islam is not merely a collection of rituals and customs, it is a way of life that brings us closer to our Creator. It guides us on a path to develop a deep connection with Allah and to seek His pleasure. Islam encourages us to be mindful of our actions and to strive for excellence in all aspects of life. It teaches us the importance of knowledge, education, and personal growth. By seeking knowledge, we gain a better understanding of the world around us and strengthen our relationship with Allah. Islam emphasizes the importance of treating others with kindness and respect. It teaches us to be compassionate towards all human beings, regardless of their faith, nationality, or background. Through acts of charity, we uplift those in need and bring comfort to their lives. In Islam, our purpose is not limited to personal success and fulfillment. We are encouraged to contribute to society and make a positive difference. By doing so, we become agents of change, spreading love, harmony, and justice in our communities. Islam values the preservation and protection of the environment. It encourages us to be responsible stewards of the earth, spreading awareness about climate change and taking proactive steps to ensure the well-being of the planet and future generations. Islam is a religion of peace, and it denounces all forms of violence and extremism. It promotes dialogue, understanding, and tolerance among different cultures and religions. By fostering harmony and respect, we can create a world where diversity is celebrated and unity prevails. Thank you for watching the beauty of Islam, unveiling the divine path. We hope this video has given you a glimpse into the beauty, wisdom, and values of Islam. Please subscribe to our channel for more enlightening content.